Okay, I can decide to work with the picture I already have in my smartphone, which you can see here, and convert them to PDF. Or I can still decide to take a fresh picture, then I will convert it to PDF. So let me just go with the first option of taking a fresh picture. So click on the camera icon position at the bottom right. Okay, you can see that. Tap on it. Then our position is very well, and tap on the capture button. Let's assume this is the picture I want to snap and then convert to PDF. Alright, it has been taken. I can crop it the way I want it. I can just still leave it the way it is. Okay, so it's your choice. But what I noticed about the application is that if you're scanning something or if you're taking a picture of something, it takes it in good dimensions. So to make sure that it covers the dimension of the object. So you don't need to start stressing yourself to start cropping and the rest most times. Okay, so I've taken the picture. Then the next step is to tap on the next button. Now you can tap in a section that has the default name assigned to the object. You can tap it and change the name. So I want to give it a unique name. Okay, yes. Okay, give it tutor. Alright. Then tap on the OK. It's important for you to give it a customized name, because most times if you are leaving it with the name assigned by the Camscanner itself, it may be confusing maybe when you want to get a particular file in the Camscanner. So I like changing my name or giving it a unique name. Okay, then I'll tap on the tick icon for this to be saved. Okay, this advert, I'll just close it because I'm using the free version. Now this is time I want to make the conversion. I'm going to do the conversion. I will then tap on the share icon. You can see that at the bottom. Then you can see the options I'm giving: share PDF, share Word, share as long image, share JPG. Our interest here is to convert to what? To PDF. So I'll select the option to share PDF. Okay, now it has given me options where I want to share the picture after the conversion. I can go with Gmail, I can go with WhatsApp, I can go with other applications you can see that are available on my phone. Alright, so I like going with Gmail, so I'll go with Gmail. It will automatically open my Gmail account. You can see I can decide to send this to a friend in PDF, or somebody else, any other person, or I can still decide to do what? To send it to myself, which after I would download it from my mail in PDF, because my main reason is to convert it to PDF. So I can still send it to myself, then hit on the send arrow. So later on I can do what? Go to my mail and then get the file the way I want it, just get it and load it to my phone and use it for what I want to use it for. Okay, so it's okay. So now we are done with the conversion. Now what of this if I have a picture already existing in my Camscanner and I want to convert that to PDF? So it's still possible, it's still doable. For example, now the one I named sample here, I can tap on it. It's already existing. Okay, I want to convert it to PDF. Alright, tap on the share icon, select the option to share in PDF, to share PDF, then choose the way I want to share it, the channel I want to send it to. Then at the end, the person gets it. If I send it to myself in the email, in Gmail, or any other mail format I'm using, I can download it. So these are just the few steps you have to take to convert a photo or a picture to PDF using Camscanner mobile application. I hope this helps. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you next time.